You've probably seen this, or this, or this, or this, or these. Looks like a program, right? But it's not. It's not an app, it's not a virus, it's just text. Let me show you what's really going on. It starts with a command like this. That's not launching software, it's asking a server for data, like typing a URL into your browser, but from your terminal. Curl stands for Client URL. It's a command line tool that lets your terminal fetch data from servers using internet protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, and more. When you run that command, your terminal sends a HTTP GET request to the server, just like your browser does when you visit a website. The server responds with a stream of plain ASCII text, each frame of the animation. Curl doesn't run or interpret anything. It just passes that stream directly to your terminal. Your terminal doesn't execute anything. It just displays characters as they arrive. Since the server spaces them out with tiny delays, it creates the illusion of an animation. The server is built in Go. Each animation is stored as an array of text frames. When you connect, it streams those frames back to you one by one. It's all open source, and you can even host your own version using Docker. ascii.live animations. Are they safe? Well, yes, because your terminal is just receiving and printing text. Nothing is executed or installed. It's like reading a live document. The only time it could be risky is if you pipe the response into something like bash, but that's not how this is used. So, next time someone's unsure about ASCII in the terminal, no worries. It's not malware, it's just ASCII art. If you're into terminal tricks, obscure animations, or just clever internet tech, subscribe for more. I break it down with zero fluff.